Yeah. Gotta climb up by yourself. What you gonna do? You can do it. Yeah, you gotta sit up there. You gotta put your foot up. There's one more rung.
Come here. Yep. Do it again.
Good job. Okay, climb up there. Yeah,
Now.
climb up there, then you can go down.
Do it again. Let's take you back to
Timber.
where you were. No? Okay.
That works. Say thanks, Dad. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Come here. Come here.
Go see Dad. Say 1, 2, 3. Go!
You gotta lift your feet.
Lift your feet, yay! Say yay!
Lift your feet. Ready?
Yay!